Today, Kiddo1 and I are going to prep these manipulatives and give you a closer look at them.
They are the manipulatives from the RISAS Y Sonrisas curriculum.
Okay, we're going to start by taking a closer look at what's in this bag. Go ahead, Kiddo1. They're cardstock cards. They've got a glossy finish on top and just regular backing on the back. Okay, so they come in like sets that so this must be its own game, and you can see here this one matches here. So I'm going to guess it's probably bingo or spotted, or we can play it either way. Get into these and look at them. All right.
I would recommend some scissors, even if you normally open things like that with just your fingers.
We're going to do a quick flip through of these and then she'll show you how to prep them. Okay, this type of paper is the same as the little bingo card things. It's glossy cardstock. So now she's going to show you how she is going to prep them. The perforation is not very deep on these, so it's a little stiff to get started. Okay, so they're about the size of a square snack bag, but with how many there are, they really have to go into a quart bag.
These manipulatives are the domino ones.
It turns out that my battery died, but here are these cards that were all connected in one page. They were not perforated, so I had to cut them out with scissors on the dotted lines, and they have some more dotted lines here that I'm going to cut on. Okay, so this page also has dotted lines here, and it looks like it's the words that we're going to use with these maybe. And so here's the other side. So there's the dotted lines, but they're not perforated, so I'm going to cut them. Okay, I've got these all cut out, and I'm just going to stick them in the bag in here. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed taking a closer look at the manipulatives with me and watching me prep them. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up down below. If you're interested in more homeschool related content, please subscribe. On this channel we talk about all things family, keeping life simple and great, and that's recipes, household tips, and homeschooling. I've got a couple more videos coming related to this series with the RISAS Y SONRISAS. Thanks for watching and have a great day.